What's up, everyone? Welcome to Error Genie. If you're struggling with the unable to install Warzone or content not found issue on your PlayStation 4 or 5, I've got a straightforward, step-by-step guide to help you fix it. Let's get started. Step 1. Restore licenses. Navigate to your PlayStation settings from the home screen. Scroll down and select Users and Accounts. Click on Other and then select Restore Licenses. Once the process completes, go back to your game and try to install Warzone again. Step 2. Check Manage Game Content Locate Warzone. Highlight Call of Duty on your home screen. Press the Options button on your controller and select Manage Game Content. Look for Warzone in the list. If you see missing content, click Install to download it. Step 3. Install from the PlayStation Store. Go to the PlayStation Store from your console's main menu. In the search bar, type Warzone and look for the specific Warzone product. Click on View Product to access the hidden Warzone installation option. You'll see an option to download Warzone separately. Click Download and follow the on-screen instructions. Note, it might show a large file size, e.g., 240 gigabytes. This is normal for Call of Duty games. Bonus tips. Check that you have enough free space on your console, as Warzone requires a significant amount of storage. If the issue persists, restart your PlayStation and try again. Ensure your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 is updated to the latest firmware. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Warzone installation issue. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech fixes. Thanks for tuning in to Error Genie, and I'll see you in the next one.